Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I go by the name Josie to all of you who do not know me. If you are new here, hi, welcome. You can go ahead and join the family. So guys, today we are going from this to this. So I'm going to show you guys the steps of how I'm going to do it. I'm going to curl my hair using a hot comb, not a flat iron or a straightener. For this hair, you're going to need some clips. Yeah, any butterfly clips, I think they're okay, but you are going to also need a comb. I'm going to be using one of this. So I only washed this hair, I air dried it. There's nothing on the hair, I didn't put any oil or anything, it's just the hair that's been air dried. So right now I'm going to just comb the hair. You can either comb it or you can brush it, whichever way you want. So I will just comb it and divide it in sections. So I just divided the hair and I'm going to be working in sections, so I need to also pin like half of the side again. I know I'm looking a bit crazy. So yeah, to start off with, I'll be taking like big portions, comb the hair, and then I'll take the hot comb and run the hair in the comb. And let me just show you how we're doing it with a hot comb. So the comb is here, it's on 3, and I first run it like straight, and then I'll take the strands and just wrap them around the comb. Oops. And just wrap them around the comb. Oh, did I do something? Okay. So when you're done wrapping the hair like this, you have to wait for a couple of seconds, like 3 seconds, and then you go ahead and unwrap it.
No, 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 no.
So guys, I have actually like curled this other half of the head, but it doesn't look like it's been really curled. Like, you get what I'm saying? It's not really curly, but Like guys, can you see the difference? It's a slight little different, like you can't really tell. It doesn't, I don't want to lie to you, I don't know if I'm doing it wrong or what. Can you guys tell the difference? Yeah, I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but there's a slight little difference. So let me just go ahead and do this other side. I'm really not gonna lie to you, but this hairstyle needs some patience. This is the end look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Well, for me, the flat iron wins. This thing needs a lot of energy, and it needs you to be like, to pay attention, because if you make a mistake, you're going to twist it and the hair is not going to come out. Like, yeah. And you also have to watch out with your fingers. Like, you have to watch where you're placing your fingers, because you're gonna get burnt. I'm sure if you work with this, you know what I'm talking about. I always burn myself. It's okay, it's fine, we move, okay? But with the strands, because at first, as you noticed, I was taking like large strands of hair and rolling around this comb, and that wasn't working at all. It wasn't even giving me any curls. So I decided to like take tiny little strands, and yeah, this is what it gave me. These are the achievements. So I don't know, if you find this cool, then yeah, sure, work with it. But I don't think I would love to curl my hair with this. I really salute you if you really can use this thing, curl your hair. I mean, it works super perfect for me if I'm straightening my hair than curling it. So yeah, I think I'll just stick to straightening it. Let me know how I'm supposed to do it if I did it the wrong way. I'm not a hairstylist, so yeah, I'm just one person who learns by doing. So yeah, I've learned, and yeah, now I know what I need, what's best for me, what works for me, and all that stuff. So yeah, I mean, I can't say I don't like the look. I kind of like it, but the curls are not even defined. Like, I would not go out like this, to be honest. I would not. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed watching this video, please go ahead right now and subscribe to my channel if you're not, and if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.